A cold, effervescent drink cools you down, but most summer sodas rely on refined sugars that often lead to a harsh energy crash later. This sparkling honey citrus refresher offers a different approach. By using natural honey as the sweetener, we can balance the tartness of the citrus while maintaining a more stable energy level. Here's everything needed for the baseline recipe: measuring spoons, a whisk, 2 tablespoons of honey, a lemon, an orange, plain sparkling water, and ice. Once you master this specific formulation, you have a reliable daily drink and a template for dozens of other variations. To begin, we start building the base. In a small pitcher or glass, combine 2 tablespoons of honey with 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Never add honey directly to ice water. Honey is a supersaturated solution. In freezing liquid, it seizes into solid clumps. By mixing at room temperature, lemon juice acts as a solvent. Whisking thins it into a stable liquid syrup. This syrup provides a smooth sweetness and a floral depth that rounds out the sharp acidity of the lemon juice. Creating this stable emulsion at room temperature is the most important step for ensuring the drink has a smooth, consistent texture. Add 1/2 cup of fresh orange juice into the honey lemon base and stir it once more to combine the flavors. Now, take a clean serving glass and fill it to the top with ice cubes. Pour the honey citrus mixture directly over the ice. Now, to give the drink its lift, add exactly 1 cup of cold sparkling water to the glass. Avoid the temptation to stir the glass aggressively at this stage. Rapid movement will agitate the liquid and release the carbonation too quickly. Instead, use a spoon to gently lift the heavy citrus syrup from the bottom. This incorporates the flavor into the water while keeping the CO2 bubbles intact. Protecting that carbonation is what gives the finished drink its crisp, refreshing mouthfeel. Finish the glass with citrus slices and a few fresh mint leaves to add bright, aromatic notes to every sip. Changing the honey will change the final flavor. As shown here, clover honey provides a clean, neutral sweetness that lets the fruit stand out. Wildflower honey adds fruity and floral complexity, while orange blossom honey reinforces the existing citrus notes in the juice. Add fresh ginger slices to introduce a spicy element. If you want a caffeinated urgent, swap the sparkling water for chilled green tea. You can also serve this as a blended cooler for especially hot days. Combine the original honey citrus base with 1 cup of ice and 1/2 cup of liquid in a blender. Pulse the mixture until it reaches a smooth, slushy consistency without any remaining ice chunks. Understanding these core ratios allows you to adjust the recipe for different temperatures or flavor preferences. Here are both versions: the classic iced refresher and the thick, blended frozen cooler. Because this recipe uses no refined sugar, you get a clean, vibrant flavor and a steady energy level. Experiment with different honey varietals and various fresh garnishes to find the combination that works best for you. This natural syrup technique provides a reliable, professional-grade foundation for all of your homemade citrus drinks.